Jasmy has dropped about $3.13 in the last 24 hours, which is a big deal. The amass word is currently worth $0, and the 24-hour trading volume for Jasmy coin is currently at $113,394,670. Amazingly, Jasmy has its next competition at $0, which is usually really big in a quiet way in May of 2023. In this video, we'll show you how to figure out how much Jasmy coin is worth right now or in about a week. We'll also try to answer the question, is Jasmy a good investment, Jasmy coin support and resistance levels, etc., in a way that goes against what most people think. However, before we get too deep into the Jasmy technical analysis, let's talk about the current economy. For example, the IMAC is currently worth $0, which goes against what most people think. Market analysis shows that in the last 24 hours, there has been a loss of 1.84%, bringing the total digital currency market to $1,336,850,397,543. So Jasmy coin support and resistance levels, etc. In a simple way, the total trading volume remains at $47,516,858,315. Bitcoin has 46.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum has 16.33%. This is a big reason why Bitcoin's price dropped to $27.561.87, while Ethereum's price dropped by 3.71. The local coin of XRP is usually around $6.93 and is currently trading at 42 cents. Coco's BCX went up to 60 cents after his team lost 0.77%, or so they thought. These events show that the market is going down, which is important right now. In general, the XRP, which is a local currency, is worth about $6.93 and is currently worth 42 cents, which is a very important number. Jasmy coin backing and obstruction backing and opposition sort of are significant specialized markers used to generally really recognize especially commonly key cost levels where the pattern can head into different path in an unpretentious way. Support really is a level at which purchasers certainly generally become pretty commonly much kind of more genuinely dynamic and for the most part, especially prevent the coin as cost from falling any very in every practical sense further in a sort of significant way. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which merchants, by and large in a real sense, become move kind of dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin as cost from moving higher, exhibiting how support generally is a level at which purchasers especially become sort of substantially more sort of truly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin as cost from falling any further, which for the most part is very critical in an unpretentious manner. Following in a real sense are the help and opposition levels of Jasmy coin. Jasmy coin performance. The current Jasmy coin price is $0, and there have been 113,394,670 trades in the past 24 hours. This shows that the market is going down, or so they thought. As of now, Jasmy is around $3.13 since yesterday. Jasmy coin value analysis. Jasmy cost analysis for the 8th of May, 2023 in a day-to-day time period made sense of below. Further look at how 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coins is generally moving at 113,394,670 in spite of what most people think. We use relative strength index, moving average and uniqueness backing levels. There are different amounts of obstruction and different moving midpoints, such as moving that is usually easy, normal, and remarkable. Moving forward, it's normal to break down the future of the Jasmy coin by showing how Jasmy has its next opposition at $0, which is very important. The MACD line is still below the signal line after a hybrid, so here are the levels of support and resistance for the Jasmy coin. Jasmy coin execution. The current Jasmy coin price is $0, and there have been 113,394,670 trades in the last 24 hours. This shows that the market is going down, which is a big deal. Jasmy coin, the kind of day-to-day line, means that financial backers need to wait for any change in direction. Financial backers need to especially fundamentally hang tight for any directional change over the especially genuinely everyday diagram, or so they essentially most certainly thought in an unpretentious manner. The by and large relative strength file for Jasmy coin certainly, for the most part, is at present floating at 19 for 14 days, especially in every practical sense normal line, which for the most part implies Jasmy entirely is an oversold zone and a pattern kind of inversion. For the most part is conceivable, so support fundamentally for the most part is a level at which purchasers truly become genuinely more for the most part dynamic and for the most part, by and large, prevent the coin as cost from falling any further, which essentially is genuinely critical, or so they by and large thought, while Jasm Wise Williams percent or pointer sort of is at 77.22 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition and exchange especially exceptionally signal various conceivable. At this reach, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking, or so they thought ends as per the Jasmy coin cost examination, the especially fundamentally bears generally have essentially neglected to in a real sense take the market downwards, and subsequently we explicitly are probably going to see the continuation of the bullish pattern before long, showing how market investigation over the pretty truly lasts 24 hours, there generally most certainly was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the sort of whole dead digital currency market to $1. Tuesday, the price of Bitcoin stayed below a key price floor as investors got ready for retail sales data from the US. As inflation starts to slow down, sales in the US are expected to go up after going down for 2 months. Ethereum's price is still more than $1,800. Bitcoin, BTC, prices stayed the same during today's session as markets got ready for the latest US retail sales numbers. As inflation goes down, sales are expected to go up by 0.8% in April, after going down for 2 months in a row. Tuesday, BTC/USD went from a high of $27,646.35 to a low of $26,878.95 during the same day. The price of Bitcoin has since gone back up, and it is now worth $27,097.23. The main reason for today's drop seems to be that the Relative Strength Index, RSI, failed to break out at 42.00. The index is currently moving around 41.06, with a floor of 38.00 as a possible goal if momentum keeps going down, even though ETH